And I'm Drew.
And this is
Desserts with Drew and Garrett. And today we have a very fast, very simple dessert for you.
vanilla pudding.
The ingredients you need for said vanilla pudding is a pack of Jell-O instant pudding, vanilla flavor,
Milk.
a measuring cup,
A large mixing bowl.
and lastly, a metal whisk. Now let's get started. Step 1 is measure out 3 cups of milk. You want to make sure you're at a flat, even surface so you get accurate results. Let's see here. Now, the milk is what gives the pudding the moisture. And you want moisture in your pudding. Have you ever had dry pudding? It is just disgusting. So when we're doing this, remember, this is possibly the most important step. Now you want to make sure you get nice even cups, because you don't want too much moisture. That's just as bad. So as you're doing this, remember, accuracy is key. Cooking is almost like a science. You have to be precise and right on the dot with every measurement you have. Now, looks like we're ready for step 2.
Next, you have to add the Jell-O mix. First, you must open it. Then you must cut the top off of the packaging. A little might spill, that's okay. Then you add it to the milk. Voila! You're ready for pudding.
And after you add the mix, you're ready for step 3. And guess what step 3 is? Mixing the milk and the mix together. I bet you got that. You're pretty clever. To do this, you just insert the iron whisk into the bowl and start stirring. It may be hard and chunky at first, but as you get it going, it starts to smooth out and you really start to see your pudding first take shape. Now, if your pudding's too runny or too lumpy, you probably did something wrong. In that case, it's best to just adjust the recipe accordingly. Now our pudding is looking pretty nice right now. It has a nice feel to it. It's still pretty runny, but it's just got enough to it that after you set it, it'll make perfect pudding. Now, all that's left to do is set it out for a while. And while the pudding's setting, that's the perfect time to clean up some of your mess.
Now that the pudding's ready, we can start to put things away.
Now we gotta wash up our little dishes here. We got the measuring bowl and the iron whisk. And put it on the drying rack and leave it until it dries, and then you can put them away. Now once your dessert's done, you gotta do the best part and try it to make sure it's good. That is some tasty pudding. Thanks for watching our show, and remember to tune in next week for more dessert time with Drew and Garrett.
Yeah.